Many people who have missing teeth or have come to the point in their life where they have to take out teeth can think it's not important to replace them. Or they might be thinking it's too expensive. So I'll just be without teeth. The repercussion of doing nothing can be huge. By having an empty space in your mouth, it causes the other teeth shift, which then causes bone loss. Your lip and cheeks sink into empty space, and when bone declines, your smile ends up dropping. This effect can make a person look older. Some patients ask me, can I get it away by doing it bridge, or wearing partial denture or even full denture? Of course, this is treatment options. However, for the bridge, we have to cut 2 teeth next to the empty space. And by doing it the denture, it causes more pressure to the bone, which causes loss of bone and damages other teeth as well. Sometimes as a result, we have to do more costly bone grafting procedure to accommodate the implants. If you're interested in having dental implants, please click button down below and we'll happy to see you.